Why did oil prices suddenly skyrocket? Remember water? The thing every jungle needs? The thing Alpha Kong made sure could only be bought with clovers? Well, something just happened to the water supply, and it's bad. Really bad. Here's what happened. Alpha Kong attacked Water Kong. Water Kong shut down the only bridge that carries water to the rest of the world, and now every jungle is paying for it. In the jungle, there's a bridge. One narrow bridge between the water wells and the rest of the world. Every single day. 1/5 of all the water in the jungle passes through this bridge. 1/5. That's a lot of water. If that bridge is open, water flows. Jungles get their share. Life is good. But if that bridge closes, no water gets through. And every jungle on the other side starts to panic. This bridge has a name. The Water Bridge. And it's the most important bridge in the jungle. Now here's where it gets ugly. Alpha Kong and his friend from across the mountain decided to attack Water Kong. Not a trade deal, not a negotiation. A full attack. They called it Operation Epic Fury. They went straight for Water Kong's home. And they took out the elder of the water tribe. The leader, the one everyone answered to, gone. Just like that. No warning. No vote. Just gone. Water Kong's entire jungle froze. And then they got angry. Very angry. Water Kong's revenge? Simple. Destroy the water bridge. If you attack my home, nobody gets water. That bridge that 1/5 of the world's water passes through, closed. Done. Ships can't cross. Water is stuck on one side. And every jungle on the other side is watching their water supply disappear. The Jungle Water Council called it the biggest water disruption since the Great Drought. 8 million jugs of water gone every single day. That's how much water stopped flowing when the bridge went down. So what happened to water prices before the attack? A jug of water cost 72 leaves. 2 weeks later, 120 leaves. Same jug, same water. But now there's less of it. And every jungle wants it. For the first time in 4 years, a single jug of water cost more than 100 leaves. In just 14 days, water prices jumped 65%. Let that sink in. 65%. In 2 weeks, and Alpha Kong didn't stop there. He bombed Water Kong's main water port, the place where Water Kong ships water to the rest of the world. Over 90 targets. Alpha Kong said he only hit military spots. But the water port? That's now a war zone. And Water Kong threatened to attack other ports too. So what did the other jungles do? Every big jungle has an emergency water vault. Water they saved for exactly this kind of crisis. The Jungle Council held a vote. Opened the vaults. 400 million jugs of water. Released? That sounds like a lot. And it is. But here's the thing. Emergency vaults don't last forever. They're a band-aid, not a cure. And the bridge? Still closed. So what does all of this mean for you? For regular Kong? Everything costs more. Water price goes up. That means the fruit delivery costs more. The leaves you spend on travel cost more. Even the fertilizer to grow bananas costs more. Because guess what? 30% of all fertilizer in the jungle passes through that same bridge. Water prices in Alpha Kong's jungle went up 22% in just 1 month. Kong stressed. Kong tired. Kong just wanted cheap bananas. And here's the part that ties it all together. Remember what we learned in our last video? Alpha Kong's clovers are the most powerful leaf in the world. Why? Because everybody needs water. And everybody needs clovers to buy water. Alpha Kong's entire system is built on water. But what happens when the water itself gets cut off? The whole system shakes. The clovers, the prices, the jungles, everything. That's why this crisis matters so much. It's not just about water prices going up. It's about the foundation of the entire jungle economy being threatened. So here's the bottom line. When Water Kong closed that bridge, he didn't just hurt Alpha Kong. He hurt every single jungle that depends on water to survive. And that's basically every jungle. Next time you see water prices going up, remember, somewhere in the jungle, A bridge just got closed, and that bridge carries 1/5 of all the water in the world. If you learned something new today, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. We break down money topics like this every single week, so you and Kong don't have to figure it all out alone. Thanks for watching.